Hey Matt, have you tried this?
Fish snack. I actually have never tried this. You said you grew up with this, right?
Yeah.
I've never had this. You know what? It kind of smells like turtle food, not gonna lie. But I'm excited. I mean, look at the fish. He looks so stoked, right? He's stoked to be eaten. Okay, so off the bat, cover my face so you can focus. It looks very like shoelacy, I guess. It's not very crispy. It looks crispy, but it's not. It's like really soft looking. Like, look, it's very bendy. Let's try it out. You just put the whole thing in your mouth and you take a bite?
You just chew it, you eat it.
Lizardfish, croaker, Alaskan pollock, tapioca starch. This is made in Taiwan as well, it says. I don't know, comment down below if you would try this. It's pretty good, actually. I kind of want to add some salt to it, though. It's kind of sweet. It tastes like a fish cake, honestly. Like, it just tastes like a dehydrated, chewy fish cake. Yeah, I like it. I might actually would want to use this as a garnish for something. Oh, look at that. 0 fat, 8 grams of protein. Yo, this is actually good for you. It says 8 grams of protein, 0 fat. Calories are kind of high. Oh, actually they're not. Half the bag is 90 calories, so. Damn, I would try this again. This is delicious. Comment down below. Comment down below. Have you tried this before? Fish snacks. What should I try next?